How are you, my dear students? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty God. I am also fine. Today, I am going to discuss about the question number 2 of your English first paper book. Flow chart. In my first class, I gave you two pictures about your question paper. If you follow these, you will understand these topics. Okay, let's start. At first, I am going to show you the question in which way you will get in your question. Like that. Same, we will find same things in a question, the examination, and we have to follow the instruction. Read the following text and make a flowchart showing rules and activities of Gazipir. Here the page is about Gazipir, and we have to write like this question: making dangerous animals docile. Okay, if we see another, the term diaspora, something, this species, we will find like this passage, and we have to follow this. Read the following text and make a flowchart showing the names of some significant diasporas and causes mentioned in the passage. After reading this passage, we will answer according to this question. Here, diaspora of the Jewish people. One has been done for you, or we have to complete another 5. Okay? In the question, we have to answer 5. And for every sentence, we will get 2 marks. Here, mark is 10. Okay. If you write of your own accord, you will get good marks. If you are unable to write of your own accords, you can get help from the question. Okay? If you could from a question, you will also get something. Okay? Minimum 8. Every student can get from the topics. You think in which way a student can get minimum 8. Flow chart means follow the chart. We have to follow this. If you follow this, if you read the passage carefully, here the topic sentence, I have written Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Okay, you have to write something about this personality, his activities. If they mention about his activities, we will mention his activities. Okay, this basically about you will get this passage Unit 1 Lesson 1. From Unit 1 Lesson 1, I have selected these topics. Okay. When you are going to write your flow chart, the first thing is that for every student, you read the passage carefully more than 3 times. If you read 3 times, it will be easy for you to put some sentence. Okay. Now we are going to start to write this. Here one sentence has been given for you, but you have to write another 5 sentences without this sentence. Okay. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. This is a great personality in our country. Not only in our country, but also around the world. He is well-known personality. He is well-known personality for Bengalis and non-Bengalis and even all over the world. The people know his name for his outstanding contribution. So, here write Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. At first, one things comes in our mind. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. What? Before mentioning this name, we add one epithet about this great personality in our Bangladesh. What? Bongo Bandhu. Bangabandhu is not his name, it is his epithet or title. His real name is Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Okay. Next, 3. What we can say about him? Think a little bit. We can say many things about this great personality. Many things. Bangabandhu. Next, we consider him father of the nation. Okay. Think a little bit about another clue about him. Why he is famous for around the world? For his great speech, heroic speech, which inspired us. What? What? 7th March speech is the most important. For this speech, the Bengali are inspired for their freedom, and we became free after listening this speech. Okay? What we can write? Think. I think if you write, you can write minimum 100 sentences about this great personality. Think a little bit. He before our liberation war, he also contributed a lot in language movement. Understand? Next. What? If you are the students of humanities group, all of you know about him. You have got him in your history or civics, his name. His contribution after 1952, what happened? Six-point movement. This is also remarkable for Bengali. We have finished. 5. Without this sentence, we have to write another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? We can write many things. The most important things is that is like this, like all things, actually all things. He inspired us for our freedom. If we didn't get this personality in our country, we would not become free. Only for him, we are now a free nation. We have got our identity around the world as a free nation. So we can write many things about this personality, and you will get it Unit 1, Lesson 1. After reading this text, you will complete this. If any students try to practice it at home of his own accord, it will be easy for him, and he can get easily 10 marks like math. We always give students 10 over 10. Okay, be careful. If you write of your own accord, it is better. Or if you are unable to write, you can get help from the text. Understand? Okay. I hope all of you have understood these topics. Dear students, buy your textbook and model books. We will start our text or model very immediately. So, I advise you cordially to buy your book so that we can continue our classes. If you don't have your textbook, you will not understand your class. Okay? Wish you good luck everyone.